Yeah, I don't know if you can really hear the music. That's that makes me a little lonely. Yeah, I remember the days when I was young in the Philippines with the with the people around me, with the friends, with the family, the events, everything. That's there are days like that, but it's good to remember. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, this is now the new tire of my bike. The old tire of my bike is a little bit wider looking. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, I didn't measure. Feels the same riding with this bike with this new tire. This restaurant is always closed. There's no coffee shop here. I just want to have a coffee a little bit, maybe as a bread or sandwich. Oh, I also have my fishing rod here, as you can see. There is a weird sound, something on the wheel of my bike. I don't know. Yeah, we're just going to buy a coffee on that cruise booking agency in the Dolphin Watch Cafe, and then we're going to sit somewhere, I don't know yet. The clouds looks amazing these past few days. Yeah, here. Yeah, maybe 2 minutes I'm coming back. They are now preparing my coffee and pistachio bar, something like that. People are relaxing here. And we're going to have a look if there are people there. If there are no people, we're going to sit down there and then try to fish again. But there is one dolphin there. Yeah, somewhere around there. It is going to show again. Oh, that one. Oh, I didn't see. Oh, that one. Baby dolphin. I don't know if those dolphins goes out in the sea, because if you go straight there between those two land to mountain, the Tasman Sea. Wow, it's been 43 minutes that is doing my time lapse. Nice, but my fishing rod is trapped and I can't remove it. I don't know how it happens because I was not looking. Yeah, and I can't remove it. As you can see this. Yeah. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. I'm going to cut it, and then I think I have one more at home. The lure, I still have one piece at home, so I'm going to cut this. I'm not willing to put my hand under that rocks. Maybe there is something dangerous. Oh, okay, it's already cut. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, look at this. Attention, this tree has been vandalized. Information is required from the public regarding the intentional damage of this tree. Yeah, there is a fine of 11,000 for damaging a tree. Yeah, everything is protected. Everything are protected here in Australia, even the trees. Yeah, I was inside this morning and I'm coming back again for some grocery. It's 25 per kg. Minced pork. Yeah, this is $5.50. We are also going to take this. This is minced beef, $4.50. Oh, that's too much. and we're going to take 3 and 4 pieces of carrots. This is $2.20 per kilo. Here in Walmart, the most expensive 12 pieces egg, I mean 1 dozen egg, is $7. This one, yeah, but I'm always taking just the cheap one, which is $3 and 12 pieces. And this is the one, 12 pieces, $3. I'm actually planning to cook Filipino lumpia. I did before, but it's a spring roll, so it's different version. The one that I'm making before at work is the one with the vegetable and shrimp, which is delicious also. But this time I am trying the Filipino lumpia. And I don't know how to cook that. I am checking in the website. Yeah, I'm checking on my mobile phone what are the recipe, what are the ingredients. Yeah, there are different versions from different people. But you know, the basic, if I'm not mistaken, is just yeah, pork meat and then onion, carrots. I think that's the basic. Yeah, I'm looking for Nabisco. I got a comment, suggestion, and paste, and yeah, in one of my video that Nabisco is one of the same like sky flakes, and I'm looking for it now. I don't see any Nabisco here. Orange juice, this one. They don't have any powder juice. All are liquid and ready to drink juice. Yeah, I put everything in the backpack, and I'll just be holding it and put in the rack of my bike. This will be my dinner. Yeah, I already have rice here. Yeah, it is now yeah, 9:45, and you know, they are doing some lawn mowing down there. You see that lady? Yeah, the flowers are gone. Yeah, the summer flowers. Yeah, you will not be scared anymore of a snake. I don't know if they are, if that is their job, or they are the people who lives next door. I don't know. Seven o'clock. This day is still bright like this, as you can see outside. Yeah, around before 8 o'clock is the sunset, and I'm watching this. This is a current affair, one of the popular TV program documentary here in Australia. It's a daily show, but you know, not enough, just 30 minutes.